Now being loaded, set, ready for racing. Racing just is started with magalang break quickly to start rushing about a yard that is humble by together with the side and next online. Now what a yard that is Sabara plus then comes perfection is magical well. Flag ceremony comes next running by the is Prince Isaiah who else second last while Kaluguran is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader racing down the backstretch. Humble 5 Desire rushing about the outside. Samara plus Perfectionist Magalang comes next, then followed over now by Prince Isaiah. Alongside comes Magical Bell. Then next online Flag Ceremony who else second less while Kaluguran is still racing in less. And at the fourth turn, Humble 5 Magalang moving party outside Tisay. Then here comes Prince Isaiah now moving up on the outside. And I was saying it's my turn to take the lead. It's now Prince Isaiah with a breakaway run by about 3 lengths. Magalang in second, moving upon the outside. Tisay Perfectionist Magical Bell. Last 75 meters, the curtain closer belongs to Prince Isaiah. Magalang Perfectionist, then comes Magical Bell. Tisay, Humble Pie.
Okay, there you go. A back-to-back win for JB Bakaykay and for the stable of Attorney Sisto Esquivas. Ito po ang ating unofficial winner dito sa ating last race number 9, numero 2, Prince Isaiah, kung saan segundo